Hey y'all, it's me, Hello Kitty Care Bear, are back in bed to kick off the data tip of the day. Today's play is all about scoring big in Excel. We're first going to put press control plus semicolon, and that'll insert today's date. No typing, no fumbles, just a touchdown for your deadlines or sales tracking. Cozy and productive, just like me in bed with Hello Kitty Care. Okay, to get started today, we are going to select any random column. Ignore this data, it's just mock data for practice. So we're going to select a column. I'm going to select column J7, and you're going to press Control plus and semicolon, and there you have today's date. That seems like a touchdown win for everyone today. And another tip, if you want to add the time, you're going to press Control 1. You're going to select Control, Shift, and semicolon. And it is September the 18th, 2025 at 12:40 p.m. Y'all have a great day. See y'all soon.